Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric, a premium fabric of tussar with elegant small jari borders. You can see the pallu of the saree, light green color saree with beautiful lotus design, hand painted pallu. The colors are very pretty, beautiful one. You can see a light green blouse piece as well. The complete saree is in single color. The body of the saree is also in same green. You can see the lotus hand paints in the lower bottom of it. Excellent one, very elegant, classy one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with 1 inch zari border concept. Very elegant pallu, yellow pallu it is with black painting, design floral one with zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece with one side red borders. Very elegant color, and here a kind of tie and dye concept is given. You can see on the yellow base a red color is given. Vertically you can see the lines as well as dotted version, and we also have beautiful black flowers hand painted. Different saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful hand painting design done on premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. The elegant pallu here, a peacock design pallu. You see a very big peacock. The saree comes to the chest of the saree. Beautiful one. The color choices are very pretty, basically in peacock concept. You can see the face and features of the peacock. Very beautiful. And the same blue is given for the blouse piece with both sides border. It's a small elegant border. It also adds a beauty to the saree. And the saree is in a very plain version, a maroon color, completely maroonish red, and we have the blue in the borders. Elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful jari border tussar saree, acid wash, pure tussar. This is the pallu, a hand painted pallu. You can see a beautiful design in it. Lotus design, hand painted excellently with magenta pink and beautiful red as well as green stems, and we have same running color blouse piece with jari borders. The color of the saree is in green, a mild green color, very beautiful color. The whole saree is in silk running color. You can see the vertical hand painting designs in lotus. Excellently painted, very mild and very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with 1 inch jari border. A very beautiful, small and elegant border design sarees on pure boiled tussar fabric. Very beautiful hand painted pallu. Pretty peacock, elegant peacock on the pallu. The pallu is actually, it continues, the peacock continues in the body. It comes on the chest part of the saree. Very beautiful one. The color choices are extremely good. And we have a peacock blue color pallu, the blouse piece with both sides jari borders. One side we have a light blue color border, and the saree is plain red. This red is also a brownish red color. Very different red. Plain one with both sides border design in light blue color. Very pretty, elegant pallu saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, lightweight, very elegant silk it is. And we have hand painting work in the saree completely. We have a multicolored pallu. You can see various colors in the pallu. Along with that, we have cream color hand paints in the pallu as well with the zari lines. And we have a contrast black blouse piece. Very beautiful color. Black blouse piece it is with the antique finish zari. The complete saree have the border in black only. So the contrast color, the antique finish zari is used all over. With the saree having a very elegant design. The top half is completely hand painted using the multiple colors. You can see base of green, and all colors are used. Rainbow colored beautiful saree with the black starting in the top portion of the pleat, and it comes almost like a curvy portion. You can see almost half and half of the saree is black here in the bottom portion with the hand paints at the bottom. Really beautiful saree. It's a colorful saree too, hand painted very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant hand painting design done on pure boiled acid washed tussar fabric, a lightweight pure silk tussar. And we have a black pallu here with block printed design in the pallu, and we have zari lines also. Black blouse piece, plain blouse piece. Here the black is used, so antique finished zari, golden zari is used all over with the border. You see complete saree having the black border with antique finished zari. And we have a two different beautiful design. The hand painted design here, multiple colors used for the hand painting, the floral pattern, and it is very differently brush painted one, you can see, with the polka dots also in brown, multiple colors used. The top half is completely block printed portion, very beautifully it's done using black on the cream base. Very elegant saree, really classy and very exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, multicolored pallu. It is in the base of black. Multiple colors are given here with the leaf and a spiral pattern painted. And we have a contrast black blouse piece, complete black it is, contrast to the body. The zari border here is in black base, so it is done using the antique finished zari. You can see the beautiful work and a very different pattern hand painted here. This is the starting of the body, the chest portion. You can see multiple colors used here, yellow, red, purple, and it goes on. And the red portion comes here, the maroonish red it is with the just painted design. And again the same semicircles pattern with multiple colors is given at the bottom of the saree. Really beautiful, very different design, completely hand painted on a basic beautiful tussar, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Very elegant hand painting design done on acid washed, boiled, pure, soft tussar fabric. A very beautiful silk it is with the pallu color having a black here, and we have hand painted design in the pallu. Main colors used are blue, orange and pink. Very elegant pyramid shaped design. And we have the blue color for the blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece, something like body color. It is completely contrast to the pallu. And here the saree have a very elegant scenery. You can see the cranes, the birds sitting in the sand. That is done in the black background, and the blue part of the saree starts here. On top and bottom we have the black with hand paints. The plain blue part comes in the middle, and when it goes to the lower portion it comes like a half and half. The top half is completely blue, and the lower half we have the black with the birds pattern. It's a beautiful sunset kind design done very elegantly in the hand painting on a pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted collection, very elegant acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. It's a very soft and lightweight saree with pink pallu. We have a very beautiful floral design. The flowers are done in a very unique black color base. Very beautiful hand paints with zari lines also. And we have same pink blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The zari border collection it is. Complete sarees having zari borders also in the golden zari. And we have beautiful starting of the pallu. You can see the top portion of the saree having yellow at the middle, and both sides we have pink portion with the black flowers. And when it goes to the lower half, we have the complete yellow plain part at the top and the pink part at the lower half. Really beautiful one. The black flowers are really eye-catching and very attractive, exclusive too, with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, premium quality, very elegant acid washed boiled tussar fabric, very lightweight, beautiful silk. And here we have a pallu in dual color, orange and yellow color in the vertical way, and we also have hand paints on the pallu with zari lines as well. Very beautiful pallu with the bright orange color. It is almost a rustic orange color. Blouse piece, a plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having beautiful zari borders on the yellow and orange light shade base, two shade color in the border design. And the saree here is also very elegant. The starting of the saree, the pallu is this, and you can see a beautiful dual tone color, both yellow and orange occupies the saree wholly. The top half we have the orange in the middle part, and both sides of the saree, top and bottom, we have yellow with hand paints. In the lower half, if we go, it comes like a half and half, and top is completely orange and yellow on the bottom. The butterfly design and the floral pattern is really elegant hand painting here using the contrast colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful hand paint design. The pallu, the color of the saree is a navy blue here, beautiful dark shade blue with very elegant hand paints in the pallu. We also have zari lines as usual. The same navy blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The zari used here in the saree is completely antique finish. You can see the color, dark antique finish, golden zari is used. And all over the saree we have beautiful hand paints done in a floral pattern, big flower design. The flowers are done in multiple colors, very elegant colors, and leaves are done in green. And when it goes on, the hand paints continues all over the saree, only in the lower part. The upper part is given plain. Very elegant saree, beautiful color, and the combination of the hand paint is in contrast colors and saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful pallu here, multicolored pallu with black, yellow and orange color shades vertically along with the zari lines. And we have a very contrast maroon color blouse piece, beautiful one with one side yellow borders. The saree completely have beautiful colors. Maroon yellow occupies the whole saree with the peacock design hand paint. Here we have a very elegant peacock design, multiple colors used for it. A beautiful peacock it is with the grey base for the stone design. The peacock all over, it comes in the lower half of the saree. The top half having the maroon, beautiful deep maroon color, and we also have yellow part for the background of the peacock. Beautifully, the lower part of the saree is having black zari borders. Antique finish zari is used for the zari border. Elegant saree, really beautiful hand painting and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on pure acid washed boiled soft and elegant Tassa silk saree. Here we have a cream color pallu with pink as well, which is vertically alternatively given along with the hand painting design and zari lines. And here we have a contrast pink blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders. The saree here is always demanded very beautiful cream color, the natural Tassa color it is, and we have the hand painting design, the lily concept, water lily and lotus concept, hand painted using the pink and grey shades. We also have the leaves done using green, very pretty collection with the borders in the pallu color base. Beautiful one, very elegant and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a blue with light grey tinge color, very elegant, same color pallu with hand painted design in the pallu, and we also have zari lines, same color plain blouse piece. Both sides we have zari borders in the blouse piece. The complete zari border done here is in golden shade, beautiful color, a very different colored saree with hand paints that is in the lily concept, water lily concept. You can see the leaves that is done in yellow, under lilies done in a pink shade color. Very beautiful one, water lilies done hand painted on a very elegant drab color shade saree and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, beautiful design done on premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful fabric, and we have a royal blue color pallu, beautiful color, and we have jari border with jari lines in the pallu with same blue color blouse piece. One side we have light sea green color borders. The saree is in a very pretty half white color, dull finish, half white. You can see the floral design, hand painting, beautifully done using the dark blue, magenta and sea green color. Excellent design, beautifully painted artwork. We also have block printed design in the top border in royal blue. The borders are also in the royal blue, which are excellent work with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with a very beautiful and exclusive batik printed work. You can see the pallu, batik printed pallu on base, half white. Blue color is used for the batik printing. You can see the blue in the end of the pallu also. And the same goes given for the blouse piece with both sides jari border. The saree is in half white color, almost white milky half white. You can see the beautiful work, completely hand painted one, matching blue and yellow colors. Pink are used for the flowers. This is a very different concept here. Border, batik on border, jari border. Beautiful one, different one too, with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful, soft, acid washed, boiled Tassa fabric. A brown saree here with brown pallu, completely hand painted design done using cream color here. Half white is used for the pallu hand paints with zari lines as well. And we have same kind of painting in the one side border of the blouse piece. It's a plain blouse piece with one side painting design. The complete saree is having beautiful antique finish, golden zari. And we also have hand paints all over. Beautiful big floral design done using very elegant colors. Blue and the shades of orange and red are used for the flowers. And we also have the white used for the leaves here. Elegant one. The top half is completely painted and the lower half we have one side painting design. Beautiful saree, excellently painted in a dark brown shade which is very elegant and attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, boiled, acid washed, beautiful Tassa silk saree. On it, hand painting work is done. Here we have an onion peel, light pastel pink shade, same color pallu with the painting done using the cream color here, half white with zari lines as well as the pallu. Same way the blouse piece is also plain with one side hand painting design. It's an elegant, beautiful painting design. The saree completely is in same color, running color concept. The onion peel, pastel shade pink, and complete saree is having the painting work. All over the saree it's painted in the top half, and the lower half we have the plain portion, and the lower half alone we have painting. Beautiful design. It's a trendy and beautiful floral pattern, elegantly hand painted on a pure Tassa silk in a pastel shade saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand paint, exclusive designs done on a very pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black shade pallu with yellow color used for the hand painting here. Elegant big flower designs. Very beautifully it's hand painted with the zari borders as well. And we have a contrast pallu blouse piece, that is a yellow blouse piece with one side the black borders. It's a very different concept saree. The hand paints here are completely done in the top portion of the body, and when it goes down, the hand paint portion decreases and almost only in the half and half portion is hand painted, and the top half is completely plain yellow. Very elegant one. When it is bad, the black and yellow combination is also really attractive with authentic silk work.